the Globebus i6, a van which will cost from around 70,000 euros, integrated motorhome, and let's have a quick look inside. Now when I say prices, please bear in mind that the price of any vehicle is very inexact. It depends on the choices which have been taken, the options, depends on local taxation, all sorts of things, value added tax, excise duties, and this type of thing. So the price really, and it's the commonest question people ask, and it's not at all easy to answer. So this has got what I'm now calling the German layout. These two beds which can be joined. What's interesting or curious about this one, instead of having lockers around, it's got this thing here. And now I've been talking about this system here for since 2016. It's a system manufactured by a company called Keeper in near Günzburg, Germany. I've got it in my own vehicle, although this one here seems to be nowhere near as tight as the one in my own van is, so maybe it's a different manufacturer. The company manufactured the Keeper made office furniture, and the advantage is of course you can actually get really flat storage areas. Here it's been used to hold things up there. I think personally that lockers would have been a better bet, because the benefit of using something like this is when it's flat. So you put against a wall, such as up here for example, it's flat. The only thing that comes out a little bit is the holders at each side, and then you can stick books and magazines and even other items down. I put kitchen equipment down mine, for example. Right, if you want to get up to the bed, you've got these steps. This one isn't a step down here, that's not a step, that's fixed in place. Under here we've got the wardrobe, and on the other side too there is the same thing, sort of. And below that there is the boiler. Wardrobe in here, fuse box, so we're blocking that off. So if you're in here, you want to come in, push this thing down here, and if you're inside, just put the thing across. Let's have a look at that on the side as well. Go back a bit. So that's what it looks like when you're locked in, or closed in, shall I say. Yeah, you can put a television on the wall maybe. Oh no, it might get in the way of the locker. Now behind that is the toilet. I'm glad there. And so you've got a large toilet in here. You've got also these things here, which come out to stop the toilet area getting wet. Got an interesting question today. How do you finance something like this? Well, it depends on the country. In Germany, there's one finance institution at least that's offering a arrangement whereby you pay, I think it's either a third down, and the rest you get up to 12.5 years to pay. Alright, so when you're cooking it says you've got to open, or all ventilation should be open when gas appliances are in use, such as the skylight. Open flames are not to be used for heating, although we all do it of course. It actually says something different in French. Il est essentiel d'assurer une ventilation supplémentaire. So, but all ventilation should be open. I think that's a mistake. Imagine that, it's freezing cold outside and you've got to open the doors and all the windows and the skylights just because you fancy a cup of tea to warm yourself up. Oh, I didn't give you the details. Here, I'll get them out for you now. So, it's 7 meters long. Ooh, it looks a lot longer. 220 wide and height's 281. And in running order 2,885 kilos, giving 644 payload, and on a 3.5 ton basis. And that in running order, that's a bit of fuel, bit of water, the driver. And bed size 185 times 150, that's a bit above me. It's on a Citroen 2 litre 130 brake horsepower Euro 6B. 4 belted positions. Well, I think this is actually, I think it's a very nice van. The thing which I have to say which is against it is that I think in the winter it could be a bit on the cold side. It's an integrated model, huge amount of space as you can see. I mean, my van is more or less the same as this one, but it doesn't have the facilities that this one here can offer, which I think is quite good. Couple more points here. You always get in an integrated model you get these cubby holes here, right, so you can stick your coins and things. Once upon a time there was a door there which I think is totally unnecessary myself. The bed is up here, as you may have noticed. There's another little thing which I find these things rather elegant, it's a matter of opinion. On there's your Combi control. Final little thing I want to point out here. Clever, eh? That's your kitchen extension. Right, steps, let's open the step. I'll show you the drawers here. Assume I can open them. Nice, eh? Come round here as well. Good use of space in my opinion. Right, now I think that the price shows you, I did mention the winter, I mean obviously there's no double floor and no flat floor, but that clearly is indicated in the price. Here people sort of cleaning up, they're cleaning up them, getting their stands ready for the event today. Oh, look at this as well, they've got this big skylight up there. Let's have a quick look round the outside. Garage will take 150 kilos. And bear in mind, it's a 7 metre long van. Look how big that is. Pretty good.